Hi, welcome back to Channel Vem, and for today we're going to do another product review. This is actually a new product that I'll be using for my hair. Yes, at kita naman hindi siya the usual na yung perm or kulot. It's just the natural wavy or curly hair. Now, the name of this product is Life Strong Hair Fix Curl Styling Milk. So, the same ng Monea milk. So, parang lotion, pero sticky. Then, yung amoy niya pang hair, parang yung mga leave-on or conditioner. Yan. Yan yun. Yes. So, nabibili siya sa Watsons and it's around 80 pesos. Ito yung maliit, then may malaki. Okay, so, it's not indicated if ang hair is dry or wet. Kasi yung directions is apply na ample amount lang. Okay, so my hair is wet pa. Pero na towel dry ko na siya, pero ganun pa rin. Hindi kasi ako gumagamit ng blower. So here it is. Let's put, parang sira yung yung sprayer niya. Ayaw niya ha. Eto. Okay. So ganito. Then from root to tip, parang sa Monea lang din. We're going to scratch it or like this. Kasi styling milk siya. Yeah, styling milk. So, baka lang niya yung curls. Ipa-follow lang niya yung curls natin. Curl. Siguro, same effect. Wet look. Kasi yung Monea wet look, diba? And then, first time ko siyang na-discover sa Watsons. Yes. Because I've been using Monea for a long time. Yes. Mabago naman siya. And, same texture, oily sa kamay. Yes. Just like milk pa rin, yung Monea. Yan. Yes. Yan. So, lagyan natin dito para flat. Hindi magano yung mga baby hair. Yan. Yes. Yeah, I think lighter compared sa Monea. But, lighter yung pag nalagay na sa hair. But, the texture is the same. Oily sa hair. And hopefully, hindi siya masyadong mainit sa hair compared sa Monea. Although Monea is okay naman talaga. Na-define yung curls. Looks, wet look yung effect. Yan. Yan. I don't know if tama ba yung ginagawa ko. Kasi, hindi kasi naka-indicate if wet or dry. Kasi yung Monea, it should be damp. And then, if you're going to use the hair mousse, yung spray, dapat dry. Dapat dry. Yeah. Parang dapat dry. Yes. I've used it once then before. Yes. Eto, para yung mga ganito, mga products na ganito, it is to define the curls. Yes. Para hindi buhaghag, hindi pangit yung curls. Yes. Siguro hindi masyadong curly kasi hindi naman siya perm. Wavy lang yung hair ko. Yes. I'm not sure if ganito pa rin kapag medyo natuyo na siya. Kasi sabi is dry hair naturally do not blow dry or use curling iron. Yes. So the same procedure ng Monea, hindi kasi ginagamitan ng curling iron or blow dry. Kasi pag ginamit mo yun, buhaghag ulit yung hair mo. Yes. It will dry up pero back to its normal. Yan. Ganito lang siya. Bango naman. I think dapat mas dry pa dito yung ginawa ko. But so far it's good. I can recommend this. Yeah, it's cheap and magaan lang sa hair. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.